Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Amit Raj from class 8B, roll number 3. And as you all know, this is my science project. And the topic of my science project is friction. So let's define friction. The opposite force which act in opposite direction of the movement of the upper body is called friction, force or simply friction. Generally, the magnitude of the force of friction depends on the roughness of the material. The rough or bumper material, the more friction will be. The magnitude of the force of friction also depends on the normal force. As we can see in this picture, the surface is rough, so it is getting more friction. And in this picture, it is getting less friction because the surface is smooth. Friction may slow the car down as it moves along the road, but it also is the force that enables the car to move forward at all. It is the friction force that keeps the tire from sliding on the road. So it is the force of friction that makes the car accelerate forward. In this picture, it is shown all the parts of vehicle. Do you know the brakes of cycle are also based on the friction, as there is a rectangular rubber which tug on the tire and make it go slow. Generally, if there would be no friction, then we would not be able to stop ourselves when we start to walk. So the friction is very important in our life. Thanks for listening and viewing my project. Thank you.